2026 Tesla Model Y still the electric SUV to beat? With updated features and refined performance, Tesla's best-selling vehicle continues to set the standard in the EV world. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're exploring everything that makes the latest Model Y one of the most compelling electric vehicles on the market. Design. The 2026 Model Y showcases Tesla's minimalist design philosophy with subtle refinements. The sleek aerodynamic profile helps maximize range, while the panoramic glass roof creates an incredibly spacious feel inside. The updated exterior features refreshed lighting elements and new wheel options that enhance its modern appearance. Inside, the cabin remains refreshingly simple with premium materials and a focus on functionality. The spacious interior comfortably seats 5 adults, and the versatile cargo area expands significantly with the rear seats folded down. Performance. Performance is where the Model Y truly shines. The dual-motor all-wheel drive configuration delivers instant acceleration that never gets old, with 0 to 100 kilometers per hour happening in just over 4 seconds. The low center of gravity provides exceptional handling that feels more like a sports sedan than an SUV. Range has improved for 2026, with the long-range variant achieving over 500 kilometers on a single charge. Charging is convenient thanks to Tesla's extensive supercharger network, adding 250 kilometers of range in roughly 15 minutes. Features and technology remains industry-leading. The massive 15-inch central touchscreen controls virtually everything, from climate to entertainment. The latest Autopilot system offers advanced driver assistance that makes highway driving less fatiguing. Over-the-air updates continuously improve the vehicle, adding new features and enhancements long after purchase. The premium sound system delivers concert-quality audio, while the heat pump improves efficiency in cold weather. In conclusion, the 2026 Tesla Model Y continues to prove why it's one of the world's most popular electric vehicles. It's practical, efficient, and genuinely fun to drive. Are you considering making the switch to electric? Let us know what's holding you back or what excites you most in the comments below. If this review helped you, hit that like button, share it with anyone considering an EV, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more in-depth vehicle reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.